You know your guide. You know their name. We invoke their presence by calling to them. Find yourself quickly within that state of mind that you can invoke by breathing, sitting quietly, closing your eyes, and allowing them now to come so close to you. And tell them, guide, let us travel now together to spaces beyond this physical world, where we may learn things together. Show me things that are beyond my comprehension, that will enrich my soul. Educate me in ways of the Spirit, for we are free to investigate and see all that the universe has to offer. Within a moment, your guide now stands with you. Hold their hand. As you hold their hand, it's like electricity fills your body. You see yourselves standing within a doorway of light. And beyond this doorway lies realms of the other world. Where will your guide take you today? What will they show you? Allow them now to guide you within the other world, to reveal things to you that are beyond our comprehension. You feel light and wish to be led by one who loves you so completely. Now, wherever you find yourself within your meditation, turn now to your guide, for we need now to go deeper. Let us travel now together to the source of all creativity, that God force, universal power. Take me now on a journey within, revealing things to me of universal power. Your guide holds you very tightly as you begin to spin and soar to encounter pure light, pure love onwards and upwards to a space nearer to the source. And here we journey and we discover and we meet with masters, the guides that would guide our guide. As you connect now with your guide will take you upon a journey where you may find so much more within you than you ever appreciated. Your guide will instruct you in ways you may become empowered. As you connect, speak to your guide in familiar tones. Tell them that which holds you back, causes you pain, creates dis-ease within you, and they will listen. Purge yourself of all forms of self-doubt, problem, blockages that hold you in the space where you are. Feel now their hands upon your head, light streaming from them to fill your head, your neck, your body, as they bring balance and readjustment to you. They tell you pain that is self-inflicted is of tomorrow. Move on. Journey now with your guide free from life's problems, mental, physical, and spiritual blockages that hold you back. And we journey together. So as we sit quietly, we request the presence of our guide. We feel them and sense them as they gather close. Talk to them in familiar ways and tell them hello. And thank you for coming here to be with me today. And with each inhalation, you feel more empowered, filled with light, and ready to take your journey today. Your guide wishes to instruct you and show you things that are beyond your comprehension. See yourself now, looking down a large, long corridor. The floor, the walls are made of marble. Walk down the corridor with your guide at your side. As you look from left to right, you will see doors. Doors that are closed, doors easily that can be opened just at will. Wander down this corridor, asking your guide for direction. What lesson will you learn today? What would they show you? Wander to a space where you feel comfortable. You both stop. The door in front of you. You see your arm reach out and hold the handle. You open the door. Together. You step in. You enter a world of light. You enter a space of understanding. What color do you see? How is this space furnished? Are you in a small space, or is it vast? Does it feel warm there, or cool? This is a sanctuary, a space of understanding. Explore. They lead you back now. They never really leave you, but they need for you now to return to everyday consciousness. So we walk within the darkness, only illumined by our own light, back out to the everyday world. And as you breathe in, you retain within you the information they bring, and know you can request their help in a moment. As you breathe in deeply again, becoming far more aware of this day, of your life, and of your surroundings, know that you have met your guide, your helper, and your friend. My name is Tony Stockwell. Thank you very much for taking this time to join me within these meditations.